Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Nakispangut kinong high school SSA kibadan hapo kashatri jong Meghalaya Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan School Association kibala yait procession nado parking lot kabadan Apollo bat kibala thmu bantor sa office secretariat kila sya pakhang lenti hakipulit bat haki magistrate andala poi hajan ka yengsa ulat ka jilla kani ka jing thmu jang kinong high school SSA ban lai tor sa office secretariat kalong kum shibenta ban penbor ya ka sarkar jilla bakan seuno ya ka tulap kabala sateng la san banai kinthi kata nadu banai risau arajar arpuwei hadu banai rempang arajar arpuar hadin ka jing yakren ki magistrate ki laplat tang ya ki hinreungot ki nong elam jong ka seng ban lai yakren ban menteri ka tanat puli puthi uba la kemen remboi halor kani ka jing dawa jong ki
Namuntan in Shipang ngi layo ketin i magistrate ba nakaliang jong education minister ila khot yakren yangi te akabai dei bat kane ngi wanra hakmat jong pi ki parano hikai langin le yakren ne in le kumno ta ka dei number 1 ini le kumno ma Sengap ma.
Now you'll meet what they do.
Sengap. Sengap ma. Te nakaliang jongeng ila penbet para noyalam nginong ba. Aba nakaliang baro sikata balengin hapan mi mentakas ngi hado hang ni. Kadao hi kadai namar pa ka government kam khot yakren. Okay? Why we are here today? Because the government forced us to be here. Since the last few months, we have continued our protest, so there is no invitation from the government for a talk. So as I've informed just now, a few minutes back, we have received a message from the magistrate that the education minister invited us for a talk. So we as a leader, we have decided to go and meet him, and let us see what he has to say from his end. Okay. Biang bangin lay kendong ngin snap ka ay ba ka sarkar ka don banong ka bay day baka ni ka benca. Biang em. Biang. Biang. Snap. Okay. Tahu jai snap. Up.
Yes, snap.
To nakaliang jongi ka message ka bangin ra show education minister. We want the release of all the 5 months salary.
Yes.
If kay ka bangin ra show education minister kalong bangin ya keren baun pelait ya ka salary jongi baro sanbrai. Biang em kata? Ingin sesengap kay ka nakaliang jong ka government ka don banong ka bay day patkanika. Bentra hadin bangila wan bani kendo yau education minister ngin wan biang but ngin pensiau happy kay ka bami nakajing keren biang.
Yes.
Assurance patikho.
Okay. Tola najmut ba what assurance ro ngidon kambat ka bat ka jingtho. Yakaniru ngin laira show education minister. Point number 1 kabangin la yakren kalong we want the government to release all our 5 months salary. Number 2, the assurance should be in black and white or in in writing.
Yes.
Agree?
Yes.
Kalong ka jingterpa na kalian jongi namarangi kung kinohika ngim kwa ban disturb lani interrupt ya ka ya ke yeng jong ki public in general, okay? Tikai kabang ikat kabang idang lek ya keren yo education minister ni kerpat ya pi kinong ikai ban lek ya lum lang hak teh hapo Madan Malki bat up yang i hang teh hapo Madan Malki. Ma. Biang. Saksisin ma. Saksisin. Serap.
Hey, please calm down.
Jai.
Calm down, please.
Jai to. Mentah nak kalian jong magistrate ula ong biang ba nak kalian jong rumbui ula paktin biang ba. Ula long willing pan ya kendo. Te ula po biang ya ka jingkerpat. Ba yang i kino hikai pan assemble hapo Malki. Kena kalian jong magistrate padu SP kini alam ingin ringut bangin lek ban ya kendo padu. Kumbangong menek ka babi pan nak jing kendo. Ngingin wan biang ban ya chui biang te hapo Madan Malki. But lada kamlong kumbangi lerai nang ni kumbang menni karai kabang ong ban number 1 we demand to release 5 months salary.
Yes.
Number 2 assurance also should be in black and white in writing.
Yes.
Kata kabang in yong. Te kenapa kanom? Te kenapa kan? Snap. Jai. Namar snap. Namar ladang isu yang hang ni thau jing kurmar kanomi kano kaso. Dai nem dai. Balai ngiwan hang ni do meneng ong balai ngiwan namar ba kan don kano ka jing khot na kaliang jong ka government. Timinta ka government kala khot ya keren. Kumbang menengin like kan ngin snap kai ba ka government ka don ban pen wangi. Palada kamlong kumbang ila rai menta ngin wan biang hangtai Madan Malki pal hangtai ngin simya karai ke bakado la kepada ingin match pe sekretariat ngin ya match lang kai kata pang biang kata tinggal kepar ya please kau bahaban ya leilang berki ki nong elam lakan siapa Madan Malki mo
ada ceksa ladang long what's going ngin wan be sekretariat
biang kata Kabiang kumta. Kabiang. Snap keniat snap.
Lang nung ninyo ya garisol lo jong ka sarkar.
Snap. Namar pet snap. Ladang isu lek mentanang ni nak mat sekretariat kamdon jengmut hinamar kadai Banai kendo hidai ringbut hidai nem dai. Ke final decision nya apsim yang teh apa Madan Malki. Tinggal cuba ke cikir pa DP kumbala penyai ke district administration tong in ya purom. Namar ngim don dawe ai bar ke district administration. Ngim don dawe bar ke district administration. Nak kepor kia trei lang bat ngi. Tikal kai ke bangi kerpat kalong ba. To se lek nak ni ke root kumba kia lam lek apa Madan Malki. Palada kam dei kumba ngi le rai lang nang ni. Nganong beng saksisen nongkong kanong pelai pe berosan benai kebaar lada assuran unhar ai in black and white in writing lada mendai kumta ngin simpat karahang teh Madan Malki lada dei ban match pe sekretariat ngin ya match lang biang
final decision
biang ta
No, we will go this way. So we are not interacting. Our intention is not to interact anyone. We will walk peacefully. We will not disturb anyone. We will not disturb anyone. We are not going to disturb anyone.
do this from the side. Now.
We will not disturb anyone. We are not going to disturb anyone. We are fighting for justice.
Huh?
Kembali ada orang mentah nak kalian jumpa government, nak kalian jumpa education minister, kita invite them for talk. Kami ni hapan orang yang kalian kebahan nak kalian jumpa.